Behold, the world's most clapped M4 on YouTube, apparently, to you guys. Let's take a picture like this. So I really got to stop coming at you guys in the comment section. I know some of you guys, a lot of you guys, most of them. Oh, it's a nice Alpina. That's like the smooth M. I would say that's like, I don't know. What would you guys call Alpina? It's not an M. It's like the luxury version of an M. Does that even make any sense? I'm pretty sure you guys seen a couple of their cars. That was the B6. Doing a good deed. This guy had a Fire RS3 behind me, so I figured I'd move up a little bit and let him get some gas too. Just, you know, just a good guy doing good deeds. And this bad boy is $479. Check me out. Shout out to my guy's keys. I've been using this for a while now. It's pretty dope. Bow. This got an RS3. Oh, sorry about that. I'll take a little video, man. It's nice, man. You take it easy too, man. I was never even gonna make a video at all about this, but that last video, man, so much hate. Clapped out M4, and then listen, I'll be brutally honest with you guys. You guys aren't all the way wrong. I do have a very, very used car. Just like all my cars are gonna be used. You guys have been following the channel from the beginning. I have not changed no matter what. No matter what car it is, I am going to drive it like they drive in the commercials or what they show us in the commercials. And you know, this car comes with 503 horsepower. I tuned it up to 741 to the wheel. So we're going from 503 crank to 741 to the tire. You really mean to tell me that I'm gonna drive it like, I mean, I would have just kept this stock one. You know, I got the rear wheel drive. I'm gonna have fun with my cars, and that's kind of what I do. I have fun with my cars, no matter what. You know, you guys, oh my God, it's not worth anything. It's been through the ringer. You're right. I put my cars through the ringer. That is a fact, but it still has a value. You guys call my M4 clap, and you know, it's only right that I clap back because. Come on now, you know what I'm saying? Some of you guys' wives probably were put through the ringer just a little bit more than my M4, and I mean, you guys love her, right? Just like I love my baby, man. Even she's been through a lot, but I love her. I love her. Look at it. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a little dirt. Look at it, man. It's just a little dirt, man. It's nothing. A little scratch. A little scratch. Look at that. I don't want you guys to be so worried about, man. So clapped. Look at that. No check engine lights. No malfunction. My tires are PSIs are kind of sort of all over the place, but the car's running perfectly fine. I can now go in reverse, go straight, and all kinds of stuff, and not hear the rubbing sound. It's like a fix or a modification, you know. Cutting the inner side of the fender liner, which is 100% replaceable part. No body work required. There was more damage than I thought when that was on the like little radiator thing. I'll show you a picture of that. I found a part number and it's $100 and something to replace, and it's a bolt-on part. Like, I don't get how you guys think that the value has like gotten so beaten and bruised because of what I do to the car. And to be honest with you, I get my money's worth because I enjoy what I do. And some people enjoy just, you know, parking their car up in the garage and looking at it and cleaning it every second, and that's cool as well. I just wouldn't get value out of that like someone else would. So, I mean, everyone is different. Me personally, it would just be a huge waste if I'm just looking at this car that's capable of so much, and I'm just sitting keeping it clean like it's a collector's item. And at the end of the day, I hate to burst a lot of you guys' bubble, but if you go online, which everybody can do because a lot of you guys don't have G80Ms, so you wouldn't be able to go to a dealership and get a quote. But if you do, just go get a quote. And if you don't, go online and go on the CarMax or anything and just type in what a perfect, pristine, zero, anything perfectly fine M4 with no damage, no modifications, and you will get pretty much the same number that I was quoted, somewhere between the $55,000 to $60,000 range for the similar spec. That's just what it is. It's not what I've done, you know, that may help for a couple of $1,000, but in all reality, you know, if I wanted a show car, I would have bought a show car. M cars, the G80s, the F80s, any of these cars, they're not gonna hold their value like people assume. Like, you know, you keep it nice and clean and it just does nothing. Ooh, nice M340. I like it. He actually has the legit lights on here, like the laser lights of the M340 that I never had. But yeah, shout out to that guy for letting me go. Makes me kind of miss my M340. I like how gangster those used to look. I think the M340 and the M550 are cars that get so overlooked. Well, nah, now that you got the B58 heavy hitters, Dre and Dre. Can't forget STI Mikey, all those guys. But I'm getting a little bit sidetracked here. Oh shit, we got ice. This car never does good in ice. I hope this little road that I'm going on doesn't have any ice, because it's really gonna kill my day. But yeah, this is what I get enjoyment doing, man. I'm in here talking to you guys. I got the phone out, looking all crazy with no tint. Certain parts are designed to take a blow. That's why they are bolt on and they're easily replaceable. And like the bumper, it's called the damn bumper. You're not supposed to bump it, but in the event that you bump it, it's easy to be replaced. It's not a body panel. That's why it's made with the material that it's made in. And things happen, you know. I pride myself on just making videos and showing you guys the real. And when I say the real, I'm not saying that other people don't do it, but what I'm saying is a lot of people are under the misconception that, like, no, this doesn't happen to any other car. A lot of those used cars you get, especially these BMWs, with us enthusiasts / maniacs. I hope my hand wasn't even in the whole shot, but a lot of these cars have been driven very hard and damaged, but you wouldn't know. How many times have people gotten these cars and the Carfax is clean, but you find out in further investigation that it's been in an accident? And when I say accident, I don't mean hitting a freaking curb. I mean something way worse. You know, that's just the reality of life. Things happen. I drive my car. You guys see millions of my videos. I drive my cars all over the place, especially not on the best roads. These are terrible roads. My car is not garaged like 99% of the time. Like that, it's just, life is going to happen, you know. I made a decision going in this that I know exactly what my car is going to get put through, and that's kind of why I don't have a Porsche right now, because I probably wouldn't feel as good about putting a Porsche in the same conditions I put this car in. And it's a great car and it performs well, and it still performs well. There are no issues. The alignment's good. Control arms. Every time there's an issue that arises with any of my cars, you can go back in all of my videos. I take care of the problem, and I take care of it properly. There's no half-ass jobs being done. You get what I'm saying? So, with that being said, I urge you guys to go out there and find me a trade-in value, huge difference, or find for yourself, because I don't really give a shit. I mean, I know what it is. And I'm starting to think that a lot of guys who understand how life works knows how it is. So it's hard to identify who I'm speaking to in the comment section who thinks that life doesn't work the way that it works. But in all reality, these cars are gonna take a hit regardless, bro. It doesn't matter what you do to it. Doesn't matter if you babied it, it's gonna take a hit. Now, there are some things I don't advise, and that is going over the solid yellows. But I ain't got a car for a minute, and I'm gonna hit it. Oh, man. Like, I'm proud that I have the most driven in any condition M4, rain, sleet, snow, hail, sunny days, rainy days, and corners, straight line. I'm just happy that I'm out here really driving the car in all scenarios, and my channel reflects that. That's a dope Golf R. I'm doing like car spotting today, and I'm not even a Golf fan like that. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys, and I totally went the wrong way because I'm ranting. I was supposed to get on the hutch and get busy. Look at that, no rub. Even when I go backwards, no rub. It's a beautiful thing. Maybe I'll take it out in the snow tonight. I know I heard it's supposed to snow. I think I'll take it out in the snow tonight. I don't know. If not, then I guess this will be the end of the video. I'm gonna go hop on the hutch and do some very dangerous things. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out. Look at that. I found this shell on my travels. Look at that. See the difference? $4. $4. Mobile tripping. And we got a nice M340 here. Look at that. Real BMW guys know. Shell it is. Almost hit the damn thing. Y'all, video would have been crazy. I completely missed it. Obviously, the B58 guy did a pull. I should have captured it. But I was too lazy. I got my thing set on. Little automatic pump. Run them numbers up.